Java Introduction. What is Java? Java is a popular programming language created in 1995. It is owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices run Java. It is used for mobile applications, especially Android apps, desktop applications, web servers and application servers, games, database connection and much more. Why use Java? Java works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. It is a secure, fast and powerful. It has a huge community support, tens of millions of developers. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to program and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. As Java is close to C++ and C, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Java getting started. It is not necessary to have any prior programming experience. Some PCs might have Java already installed. To check if you have Java installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Java or type the following in command prompt: cmd.exe. C users your name java/version. If Java is installed, you will see something like this depending on version. See, my Java version was 17, 2021 9/14 LTS. Java install. Note, in this tutorial, we will write Java code in a text editor. However, it is possible to write Java in an integrated development environment such as IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans or Eclipse, Visual Studio Code, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Java files. Setup for Windows. To install Java on Windows, go to System Properties, can be found on Control Panel, System and Security, System, Advanced System Settings. Click on the Environment Variables button under the Advanced tab. Then select the path variable in System Variables and click on the Edit button. Click on the New button and add the path where Java is installed, followed by /bin. By default, Java is installed in C program files Java JDK 17. If nothing else was specified when you install it, in that case you will have to add a new path with C program files Java JDK 17/bin. Then click OK and save the settings. At last, open command prompt cmd.exe and type java/version to see if Java is running on your machine. See, these are steps. Step 1, open properties. See here, advanced system settings, select that. Step 2, after that advanced, click environment variables. See, select path and edit. See here, C program files Java/JDK 17/bin. Okay, write the following in the command line cm.exe. C users your name Java/version. If Java was successfully installed, you will see something like this depending on version. My version was 17, 2021. Java Quick Start. In Java, every application begins with a class name and the class must match the file name. Let's create our first Java file called main.java, which can be done in any text editor like Notepad. The file should contain a hello world message which is written with the following code. See, this was the main.java and this of code. Public class main, public stat void main, string, closed square brackets, args, system.out print in hello world. See, flower brackets and flower brackets. See here, the result was hello world. Don't worry, if you don't understand the code above, we will discuss it in detail in later chapters. For now, focus on how to run the code above. Save the code in a notepad as main.java, open command prompt cm.exe, navigate to the directory where you saved your file and type java main.java. See here, see user's name, your name, Java C main.java. This will compile your code. If there are no errors in the code, the command prompt will take you to the next line. Now type java main to run the file. Here see users your name Java main. The output should read. See public class main, see system output print hello world. See here hello world. Good, you have written the executed your first Java program. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 1. Java introduction. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java syntax. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.